What's going on, you guys? Chance here. Just back with another video to go ahead and go over my trades for today. It is a wild day, kind of. It was election day yesterday, so there's a lot of market volatility going last night, especially with the futures and the Nasdaq futures. I was up like 4% coming into the day this morning, so I didn't really know what to expect. I think that the markets were seeing that Trump might have a possible victory or a path to victory, so I think that's why they were rising so much, because of the tax levels and everything that can happen. But basically, I mean, we can make money either way, so I was just kind of being a lot more picky today about the trades that I was taking, and I wanted to wait and let stuff develop and see what was happening. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into the trades. So this is my first one of the day. It happened at about 8:44, 8:45, and we were kind of selling off, so I was looking for a short, and then we get this price action right here. So I'll go ahead and play this right here. So you kind of see like this little bearish candle forming right here, which is a decent sign. So I go ahead and put in my order right there just below that, and then I go ahead and move it up to my desired entry location. And you see it triggers right there, move my stop up, all the normal stuff. I liked this because I felt like it could go back to the downside and break through that support level down there. But we'll see how it turns out. And it just bounces off our profit target right there. So that was a good sign, and I liked the way that previous candle closed. So it was all leading bearish, and I still had a lot of confidence in this trade. And there we go. So prices ticked through. Looking back now, let me go ahead and pause this. The better entry would have been to wait for a lower high off of this, especially after this big impulsive move right here from just below this support level. What I should have done is I should have waited for a lower high and then entered upon that. But we see the trade still worked out, still profited $200 right there. So that was a good way to start the day. Okay, so this is the price action leading up to my second trade. As you can see, I've made this kind of big channel going downwards. I found this channel after that trade, and I could see prices were abiding by it pretty well. So I was looking for kind of a lower high right here off of this candle, the lower high from that candle, to go ahead and enter into a short position. And I get that break right above that green candle right there, and I go ahead and place my order, I believe right now, just to be there for whenever it breaks. And you can see I placed a wrong order right there, so I had to hurry up and get it in. And there we go. So we're in the trade, and then we are out of the trade. So that was nice. That was you can tell there was a lot of stops right there. So I just broke right through that, and we profited 195 off of that trade. So it's looking good for our second trade. Close to $400 in 20 minutes of trading right now, so that's pretty good. I'm okay with that. All right, so this is the price action leading up to my third and final trade of the day. As you can see, the level that we're at 11,754, and where we were at on my last trade that I took, we were like in the 11,570s area. So in a 20-minute time period, we had rallied really, really high, 200 points. So near like 1.5%, 1% of the Nasdaq. It is a crazy rally. I actually missed some of it because I went outside to walk my dog, and I missed the big portion that I would have liked to enter on, but that's okay. You know, can't trade hindsight. So, but this is my third and final trade of the day, so we'll see how it plays out. Like I said, we were rallying up really hard, so I wanted to be long into these positions, and we were right at the bottom of this trend channel, and we get this nice little bullish looking bar that's red, but it's still bullish price action. So I was pretty excited to get into this, and we were near the highs, but there's enough room to get out right before the highs because I only scalped for 5 points. So I was pretty excited about this trade. And as you can see, I do have my order above that one candle because I didn't know whether that candle was going to go up and close or go up and trigger our order. And then we get a break below that candle, this previous candle right here. So then I'm looking to get in right above that candle. And our trade still hasn't triggered yet, but I did like that the way this candle closed right here is nice bullish action as well. So I was still pretty excited about the trade. But I wanted to leave my entry above this because, like I said, that's where some stops are going to be. So when it triggers, it'll hopefully, ideally, rocket up real quick and just go ahead and take us out of our trade for our profit target. And there we go, we're in. And I move my stop up just a hair. And there we go. So we were out of the trade. So we were in the market for 5 seconds right there and got another couple $100. And then so our net P&L on the day, as you can see right there, it was 572. It was kind of quick. I don't know if you can see that, but what I can do is I can bring this up right here. So let's get rid of that. So you can see my profit and loss gross on the day was 595, and then my net P&L was 572.80. We had commissions of 22.20. We had 6 total trades. We only took 3, but each one was 2 contracts. And whenever it's saying something like this, that's meaning your entry price is not the same. So there's a little bit of slippage, but that's okay. It's all relatively near each other, and it's fine with me. My goal on every day is like $500. So if I can make that, then I'm very, very happy. And it was a good day today. I wanted to be in and out of the market really quick today just because I didn't know what was going to happen. I didn't know what to expect with everything. So we were done after almost an hour. So that was perfect for me. And then I could just go on with my day and do other things. But thank you for tuning in today. And if you like the content, please like the video, subscribe, comment. It really helped out the channel some. And hope you'll have a great rest of y'all's day.